Cleaning is my therapy. My name is Jamie, and in today's video I am doing some deep cleaning of my couch, the dining room chairs, because they are just looking really bad, so they're really just needing a good cleaning. So I'm going to shampoo the couch first, and then we're going to get moved on to the dining room chairs. But the back of the couch is not that bad. Thor likes to scratch his face on there, so, and I'm going to show you guys the back of the couch and like the couch cushions and everything. But this is just where Thor likes to scratch his face at, and they brush up against it. It came pretty clean. My husband was playing with it the other day when I just got it, so it got that part pretty clean. It was really bad. And then right in through there, the pillows, all the throw pillows I'm going to throw in. Hang on. But these are the couch cushions, and you can tell a difference from the bottom right here of the couch to the cushions from the dogs. So I'm going to get those cleaned. There's a good example. That cushion compared to this one, the dogs don't really lay right there, but they lay all up and through here. So the cleaning solution I'm using was the Bissell Pet Pro OxiClean Stain and Odor Eliminator. I went in with that first on the couch, and you guys, I'm not gonna lie, I did use the wrong detachment. I was using the spot cleaner detachment before I realized I was using the wrong one. Like I said, I just got this. This is my first time using it. My husband was playing with it and used it a little bit because he wanted to see how it worked, but I was busy, so I wasn't watching him. And I didn't even read the directions, which I should have done first, but that is just not me. I don't read directions first. I just go. But about once I got done with the couch, I'm like, it wasn't putting out enough solution. It wasn't soaking up enough of the water. So Valkyrie is barking outside. So once I finished the couch, and I was looking when I went to go empty the solution, the dirty water area, it was not full. It didn't have a lot of water in it at all. It was dirty with what water it did have, but it wasn't a lot. So I finished that, and then I just sat down and took a little break, and I was reading the directions, and I was using the spot cleaner, which the spot cleaner worked perfect for the back of the couch and getting these dirty spots right there. But for the rest of the couch, no. I needed the other attachment, which I do go back in and re-shampoo the couch, and you guys will see that. Honestly, I probably won't show shampooing this couch with this detachment, all of it. Okay, so now the rest of the video is going to be me using the correct detachment for the cushions and everything. And I'm just going to use this on the arms and the side of the couch because it works really good. It doesn't soak it very well. And plus, like, these are not too dirty because I always have the throw pillows right there. And all of the throw pillows, I will just tossing in the washer and washing them in there. You look at me like... But right here, shampooing my couch and just seeing all of that dirt and nastiness just lifting, and like you can just tell it was just so satisfying to get this couch shampooed. The last time I took all the covers off and washed them about a month ago, and one of my zippers on the couch cushion busted. So you guys will actually see that. Actually, I don't think you guys will see that. But when I was trying to zip it back up, it busted. So I got to find someone that can fix it. But y'all, look at that couch cushion. That is just so satisfying. And this one little spot I couldn't get off. That was, I think my son dropped some coffee right there. I'm not sure. But I couldn't get it up. But I am going to find like a spot cleaners. Eventually, I'm going to, oh my goodness, I'm getting so tongue-tied, you guys. Anyways, I do want to find a cleaner that I can use to maybe get that up. But it was just so satisfying to just clean this couch. It was smelling like the dogs, and it was so dirty. And I know my husband would be so happy to hear me say this. I should have listened to him on getting this couch. He told me it was a bad idea getting a light colored couch, but I did not listen. I fell in love with that couch and I just absolutely wanted it. So, oh my God, I bought it and now I am regretting it because it shows everything. I have to clean it a lot more because it just literally shows everything. But right here, I was going in with the carpet cleaner solution, and that stuff smelled so good. So I wanted to go in and try this one out because when I first started, I was using the Pet Pro odor eliminator. So I wanted to give this one a go, and it smells so good. The shampoo I am using is the Bissell Little Green Machine Pet Pro. I found this at Lowe's for $144. It was on sale, and y'all, I am absolutely loving this. My couch is coming clean. I do plan on, I need to make a few more passes, but I didn't want to soak the couch so much to where it wasn't going to dry. So, I will be shampooing it again, probably in a few more days. Then I'll just go over it again. I do have 2 more couches that need to get shampooed, but they did not get done in this video. Shampooing the couch, I shampooed this twice. Like I said in the beginning, I used the wrong attachment. So I went back in with the correct one and shampooed this couch twice. So this took me all day. And I also cleaned the dining room chairs, which that is coming up. And it was so satisfying as well.
Like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors. They kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up.
That is so gross, you guys. That is literally what just came out of my couch. And I cleaned my couch twice. So this was my second go around. Yeah, there's so much nastiness. So the ottoman, I could not get it any cleaner than what I got it. So it still is like that dingy white, and then you don't really notice it until you put the top back on, and you can tell it is two different whites. This is a dingier color. I cannot get it no cleaner than that, but I liked it, so I wanted it, of course, because I really liked the light colored furniture and the white ottoman. You know, just it just looks so clean, and I loved it. And after having it in my house for a few weeks, at the time, I realized that it was the bad decision I've ever made. Because it is hard to keep this stuff clean, especially with 4 dogs and a cat. Because my dogs like to roll around in dirt. So you can definitely tell it is like 2 different whites, because I cannot get the bottom part no cleaner. But I learned my lesson.
You drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
But I just found this so satisfying, cleaning the furniture and just seeing all the nastiness coming up out of it. So I hope it was just as satisfying for you guys as well. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video, and I hope you guys had a wonderful 4th. Have a wonderful 4th. This video will actually be going up on the 4th. But we are celebrating Saturday. I do believe, like most people, will be doing it on Saturday because the 4th is on a Tuesday. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be safe, have fun, and I will see you guys in the next one. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.